In this video, I'll show you how to log in to your GoDaddy account quickly and securely using the official sign-in page and the options GoDaddy provides. Whether you're trying to access your domains, hosting, email, or other products, this simple walkthrough will help you get into your account without confusion. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy homepage. Once the page loads, look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a sign-in option there. Click on Sign In to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, look for the blue Sign In button under the Registered Users section. Click that button to continue. This will take you to GoDaddy's secure login screen. Now you'll see a few different ways to access your account. The most common method is to use your username or customer number. GoDaddy may have emailed you an 8-digit customer ID when you created the account, or you may already have a username set up. Type that in first, then enter your password in the next field. If you linked your account during registration, you may also see social sign-in options. In that case, you can click Continue with Facebook, Continue with Google, or Continue with Apple. This can log you in automatically, which is a fast option if you already connected one of those accounts. After entering your details, click the Sign In button to move forward. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, GoDaddy will ask you to complete one more security step. Depending on how your account is set up, you may receive a security code by text message, or you may need to open your Authenticator app and get the code from there. Type that code into the prompt on your screen to finish the login process. Once the code is accepted, you'll be taken directly to your My Products page. From there, you can manage your domains, website hosting, email accounts, and any other services connected to your GoDaddy account. And that's it, you're now logged in to GoDaddy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.